Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 9th, 2023, and it's my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPX, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. All right, let's zoom on in here and take a quick look at this quarterly chart and see what we see. I'm going to maximize that. What we see is green, and what we see, we're fighting a yearly R1 level. The thing is, can we cross this R1 and get a close above this zone that I actually have here, and then see if we can actually make all-time highs. I don't know if we made yearly highs. What was this high? Let's look at these highs again. This high was 46.07, and this high here was 46.09. So we have made yearly highs. The question is now, can we make all-time highs? That's about a couple hundred points higher, and we only have like 3 weeks left. That's going to be really pretty tough to do that. So again, I still think I'm leaning more towards the side that we're going to have a really strong Christmas rally in order to do it, or I don't think we're going to make it. That's what we can see here from this big picture. But let's go on down to the monthly picture and see what we see there. As we can see, this last week, this market has slowed down. The big thing here, we're still fighting this supply, this little supply that right here. It's really still all this right here, and that's what this zone here is based off. It's based off this green candle high back here. If we can get a close above that, then we'll start fighting this supply, and see if we can get above that. And that's why I'm kind of saying it's gonna have a hard time. That was pretty good push down, and it kind of based right here, and we're in that whole basing area right here right now. So actually breaking these highs and getting above this zone, that can happen, but making all-time highs, I kind of doubt it this year. Put it that way, this year. But it can happen. Anything can happen in the market, and that's what we're seeing. Of course, we're above the 10, above the 9. We are bullish. We're getting a little bit extended, so that's why I'm saying it's not good, not looking really that good. We can end up, we see any kind of red week, we got to be careful. You got to have, you got to protect your stuff about how you go about protecting your positions and all at this time, because we are trading at a top. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, again, it goes back here and back to those supplies. Let's just zoom in here a little bit right here where you can see. But the good thing here on the spot, we are making higher lows and higher highs. We had a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this thing is trying to push up. The question is now, and we have made yearly highs. The question is, can this thing by the end of the year make all-time highs? Again, that's what I see. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily chart and look at the daily noise and wrap this on up. The daily noise, this market had been kind of like it's chopping sideways, but it's definitely inching its way up. We had a pretty big red day right here where it could have looked like we had a bearish pattern, a bearish engulfing up here at the top, which was in the right location. But it didn't even come near the low, of this candle here. This market is saying we're not going down, we're going up. It could be a breakout, fake out, what's happening right here, but we kind of need to wait and see. You don't want to see this market here on this daily picture breaking this candle, this red candle low, in my opinion. And definitely you don't want to see it breaking this previous low that you had back here, So that's what I see. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.